So I'm back at the tree that I was at yesterday because I was curious to see if the mushrooms were still there. And they are, and I found more. Well, some of them are gone, but this one, that was there yesterday. And now there are two more that look the same. This one is so cool. It looks like a flower, and and then there's another one over here. It's just so pretty, and I'm just so interested to see what it actually is. And then I found over here these ones that look literally it's just so funny. If a kid were to draw a mushroom, this is what it would look like. It's literally like the toadstools, from Mario. It's so funny. I've never seen mushrooms like this before. Oh, and then there were some more. Oh, and then there was more over here. Yeah, more of this orangey, flowery one. So, I don't know. I've never been interested in mushrooms before, but I just think they're cool. I've just been really interested in nature lately, and mushrooms are an interesting kind of nature. I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna keep coming back here to this tree and checking for mushrooms. Yeah, this is my favorite place to come, at the top of this park. It's such a pretty view. Anyway.